Hey there guys, today I want to do some masks and I found myself in a little bit of a pickle because I don't know how to use a sewing machine, but I've already made one mask sewing by hand. I used the backstitch and it went pretty okay, but I am not the best at sewing. So we've come here, as you can see my background is very vintagey, very misfată de la țară, if you know Romanian. And when I say we, I am referring to myself and my boyfriend. We've come here to his grandparents' house, and his grandmother has this sewing machine, pretty old one, and we're trying to figure out how to use it. And I will show you some footage of us trying to put the thread in it. You can see it's a oldie. Yeah, we managed to put the thread in. We managed to put the needle in and kind of we've played with this material a little bit. We saw how we should start the stitch, but after that we don't know how to make it go further, because so when you start it you have to put this handle down, but after that it should go, but it just keeps this part down and it doesn't move, and we just are clueless. And now he's up in the attic. No, what's that? I would say it's up in the attic, I guess. He's just searching for some signal to watch a YouTube video on how to start sewing on a sewing machine. And I'm waiting here. Where are you? I cannot see. Show your face. We still have a problem.
We have a problem, Houston.
We gave up. I gave up. He wanted to still try, but
I do.
No thanks. I'm done. So the only thing we've done is try, and now we're going to get something to eat. Yay! Food! Look at this pasta though. Ooh. I'm going to eat some pasta. So, like I said, working with the sewing machine did not work.
Failed.
Sewing machine experiment failed. So now we're going back to handwork. Hand job, they might say. I'm dying. Okay, so it's pretty late now. To be exact, it's 6:24 p.m. I will do everything by hand, like I should have done in the first place, I guess. So let's try this again. I'm making this type of masks. Okay, I'll show you. I'm making this mask. I saw it in a video, I will link the video down below, and I liked it very much. I don't know, I feel like this fit is more flattering than this one that I bought from someone. I think that this fit makes me look like a crazy angry bird. So I bought some of these, my mother bought them from me, and they are pretty nice. But I want to do more of my own. So we're going to have this little pouch to put the mask in, and the mask. As you can see, it looks presentable from the front. You can see that the sewing here is not the greatest, although on the other side it looks, like I said, presentable, I guess. And I have to adjust now. This was my first try, so I have to adjust the elastic to be shorter, because I had to make this little adjustment to fit my face. So let's do this. We've changed location. Look at this bad boy. We're gonna cover up and I'm going to continue sewing, but not before I finish this little snack. We're an old couple. Yeah, now my battery is dying, but okay, stop kissing.
I don't. I won't ever in this life. Stop kissing.
Don't stop. Just open this. So, we tried today a lot. Then I started cutting and it took me ages. And I took the break to eat something and it got dark outside, as you can see. So now we're heading back home and I will continue tomorrow most probably. So see you then. For you it will be in 1 second. So bye. I'm back and ready to get done these masks. Pretty tired, honestly. I don't know why. It's not like I worked a lot or anything. I prepared the table and I will show you what I'm doing next, and hopefully we'll get done at least 1 or 2 masks today, because yes, sewing by hand is not my strongest point. So here I explained how making the mess. I have 2 pieces, the white and the colored one, and I'm putting them the good face inside and the bad face is here, that side, and I'm making them 20 centimeters by 15, and the 2 elastics I will make them 11 centimeters. Then I will put the elastics in between the fabrics and I will sew around, leaving this little space here for turning it inside out.
One eternity later.
Let's see how we're getting this out. I think it's this. So it's pretty fine to me. Maybe this. I think this should be it. Done with the mask. Now we have to do the little pouch. For this one we're gonna put it like this, and I'm going to sew like this, and I'm going to cut in here so that I can make the little holding for the elastic for the closing part here.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems.
One eternity later.
This is the mask and this is the little pouch. The mask, I intended it to be worn like this, and I did not close this part. It still has a hole, but you cannot see it because I ironed it. So I just put it on and open it. I think this time is the perfect length and height and everything, and it fits perfectly. And when I'm done using it, I just do this and make it small. I can put it inside and done.